I wanted to take some fake, either fake leaves and put on the outside of this, like going up that, like that. Or, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to use on that. It's the only thing I can think of. Oh, I was going to go ahead and get those up. Now, I could use these. I can dye them pink if I wanted to. Those are huge. I don't want huge like that. There's little bitty ones. Oh. Hey, I try to have fun with myself in here. I do. I am my best friend. It's the bestest way to go. See, there's only 2 pink ones in there. I'll put them there. And then we'll like flower, flower, flower. I'm trying here. I'm trying so hard. I'm hard trying here. Separate them out maybe like that. Yeah, no, yeah, maybe. I don't really want to go even with it. Because it's, it's just, hey, I could go on around. Let's go for it, y'all. Let's go for it. I'm having too much fun now. There. Now it's just flowers all around it. That actually looks cute. Even though I was joking around. Here we go. Every time I move the paper, it moves. I do have other flowers. Okay, we're going to move that one because it matches that one too much. Yeah, you need to be moved too. And how about a maroon? Right in the center. How about a yellow one, y'all? We'll change it up. I don't care for these peach ones. I'm not into peach. Maybe I'll use these on the ends. Put those down and this on the top. And do the same thing over here. Move that one there. That there. I went this way with it, right? Oh, you're supposed to go that way? I forget which way you go with it. Something like that. I don't care for that yellow. It's messing with my head. I guess I'll go with this one. No. No, because that's too close to that one. Got an idea. I'll just toss you over here. And put that one there. There we go. Yeah. The reason why I'm going with this dark one here is because that's my favorite color. And I want it to be my favorite color. Okay. I think that's what I'm going to go with. My only issue is it's probably going to stick up. It's going to make my journal a little bit fatter. Okay, whatever. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm not going to think about it because if I think about it, I won't do it. Okay. I don't even have to squeeze it. It's already coming out. Talking about this. What in the world thing? What? Get right in the center. Trying to go a little bit faster. It's coming out a little faster of my... Nope, that one does not want to stick. Get on there and stay. Right there. Okay, big one. I really like these big ones. Oh, don't get it too far to the edge, Patty. Oh, I hear the air bubble. It's like, nope, you got too much down there, woman. I gotta squeeze it. Had it easy there for a second. Too good to be true. I think that looks good. This is my gaudiness. I don't care. I like it. I actually like it. Let's see if it's going to close, though. See what I mean? It's going to be poofy there. Oh, well. It is what it is. Now I'm going to let that totally sit and dry, but I need heavy things on the center. And now I got to find heavy things that are heavy. It's that small, which I don't think I have. Darn it. I'm just going to have to sit here and keep doing this until they're dry. Shouldn't take too long. What I could do, I don't want to put gemstones in there because I know what's going to happen. But seeing as how they're going to be already poofy anyways, I'm going to do it anyways. If I don't like it, I can take it out. I got more paper like that. I don't have a lot of these, but, you know. It is what it is. Oh, golly. I gotta find them. There they are. My little pearls. Ew. Just put that there. Sorry, I didn't mean to make that. It was real loud. I just want to see what it'll look like. See, these have sticky on them, but the sticky stuff doesn't seem to want to come with it when I do it. Dang it, I got too far to the left. It looks cute. I actually like it. Now let's see if I can do that every time. I have to get one of these scissors out. Get it right in the center. I may have to use my glue to make sure it holds though, because I'm not sure if this stuff will hold. The glues. The sticky stuff. You know what, we're gonna... There, got a couple of them. I'm mostly trying to cover that little center hole that they put for the brads. Seriously. wanted to stick to the tweezers. Now it's going to do this one. It's going to do the same thing because the sticky's still on it. See, it's stuck to my finger. See, no matter what I do, it sticks to my finger again. I'll just grab the side of the sticky. I'm going to probably have to retake those. They might hold. But one day I'll be going through this and then there'll be a pearl missing. That's okay. I got plenty more where that came from. So I think it looks cute now. What you think? Yay or nay? I don't know what you see. I can't see it. What do you think? How about if I go like this? Try and get it in the middle. How's that look? Does it look party? Does it look party? I gotta get this sticky stuff off my fingers. Boy. Anyways, I just seen something. One of these pearls is missing the sheen, so that sheen comes off. Cool. Whatever. So there's that one. There's that one. Uh-oh. What? What? What is this? Hang on. And that's too much. It's showing through. Doofus. I am a doofus. There. Now I gotta put that there so it doesn't stick to the next page. And there's that. I still yet to figure out what I'm gonna put on there to hide that. I might just leave the fragrance sachet. Or maybe I'll cover over fragrant. I mean, the sachet. Just leave fragrant. I don't know. But definitely need to hide that. I don't know. See? I love how it smells. It smells wonderful. Wonderful. Did I put something on this side? Nope. This ain't going to reach it anyways. But it'll reach this page, so better. So this page. And there's this one. My party. Anyways, no. When I was a teenager, I loved drawing balloons. Me and my friend did. Plus, I'm an artist. I love colors, and I just see all these different colors. And this went perfect with it. And then this is what we did the other night, which I think, yeah, I posted it last night, I think. I redid it, took and edited it down and everything, and I showed how to do that one. And there's the back side of it. Back side. And there's this one I did with the butterflies. I actually sewed that one on. And this I just did a while ago, and this is what I did tonight with y'all. With y'all. With y'all. And then we got this page. This I don't do anything with because this is my mixed media paper. I'll be drawing in my own journal. And then I've got this page to come up with. Oh my word. No. I've still got this page to do. It's just like the one we just did. I'll figure out something. Not right now. This I did a while back. I sewed that one down. Okay. Sewed it. Kind of went cattywampus on it, but that's okay. Then I got to figure out what I'm going to do on this one. And on that one. And on that. And on that. And on that, that, and that. And then there's that page again, which looks different than the other one, so I got to do something different with it. And then once it's in the journal, I'll be able to decorate and make these pages look totally different. Hopefully. When I watch my journals, when I watch my videos where I'm working on my journal. Okay, you're not supposed to be on that side thing. Anyways. So I guess that's it, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later.